Welcome to the Retreat by HHHunt Homes. With up to 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage, this floor plan gives you the space to live your best life. Was a spacious kitchen on your list? Well, this home has it. This kitchen comes fully equipped and offers ample cabinet and counter space, as well as a breakfast bar. This open concept makes entertaining a reality. Plus, the degree of separation helps make dinner parties in the dining area intimate and cozy. Just off the living area, you'll find space for outdoor lounging. With 2 bedrooms being on the first floor, this floor plan is perfect for those who don't want stairs. But don't worry, you have a second bathroom as well as a powder room, so your guests are covered. Your ensuite invites you to soak your cares away and includes a linen closet for convenience. The first floor also includes a study that can become an optional 3rd bedroom. With a laundry room, multiple large closets, and spacious rooms, this home is the one you've dreamed of. Because at HHHunt, it's how you live that matters. For more information or to tour this model, please visit hhhunthomes.com.